Hey, we got clean space. Let's fill it up with more stuff. This whole area is going to look very, very different. Now we got a new floor up top, or ceiling, however you want to look at it.